Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, you are welcome. I am Derbie Somers. Thank you guys for the love you've shown me on my previous video, my sunscreen video, my hairstyle video, my 4C hairstyle video. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I hope you stay. I hope you actually turn on the bell notification to know every time I post a new video, and to share these videos with your friends, like, comment, share, and yeah, let's grow this YouTube channel together. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're a new subscriber and or if this is your very first video of me you're seeing, please kindly take 2 seconds to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to know every time I upload a new video. So 2 seconds to you guys. Yay, thank you for subscribing. So now let's get into today's video. So I'm going to be letting my natural hair breathe. So I want to show you guys how I get my hair coily without using any tools. So normally in my previous videos I showed you guys how I use a brush. Let me show you the brush. So this brush, and I got quite a number of questions on where I got this brush from and what it's called. I actually had to Google it because I actually got this on the streets of Lagos. So I actually don't know how to reference where I got this from, because I literally got it from the streets. Like, yeah. So, but I think it's called I'll insert the name. I actually googled it, and there's a link I found on Amazon with similar products. For viewers watching from anywhere in the world, you can literally get this on Amazon. So I will just put the link down below. And so when my hair grew longer, I couldn't use this anymore, so I started using this to make my hair coily, and my hair grew longer again. So I actually didn't really understand what this was meant to do, but I used this for a while, but I didn't really like it. So my hair grew slightly longer, not let's check. So my hair grew longer, so I had to look for other means to coil my hair. So I'm going to share with you guys how I coil my hair without using any tools at all. Well, obviously, first of all, we have to take this out. I'm going to try to make a TikTok video along with this YouTube video. I'm going to try that. So you guys should please follow me on TikTok. I'm trying to grow my account on TikTok, so please join me on TikTok and yeah, and Instagram also if you like. So
one eternity later.
So this took longer than I anticipated, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like: dry and crusty. And so next I'm going to wash my hair with shampoo and conditioner because my hair is actually dirty and dry. So guys, we're in the bathroom now, and I'm going to first of all wet my hair with warm water, then wash my hair with shampoo, then a conditioner. So after washing my hair with the shampoo, I have conditioner in my hair now. So I'm just going to detangle. Okay, so I just washed my hair. My hair is now clean and fresh. So the next thing to do is to add your leave-in conditioner, to apply your leave-in conditioner to your hair. And I have actually used 2 leave-in conditioners. I started with this one, the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-in Conditioning Cream, and I have another one which I got to replace this one, which is the African Pride Moisture Miracle, and it's a leave-in cream also. It claims to hydrate and strengthen your hair, and they say it provides intense moisture and helps repair natural curls. coils and curls. Yes, so that is this one. But I actually prefer the Cantu shea butter one to this one. I don't know why I got this one, just because I wanted to try something new, but I think I'll just stick with this one. But I'm going to finish this one first before I go back to this. But I still have quite a bit of this one left. So I'm just going to mix the two, but I just want you guys to know that this is better than this, in my opinion. So I'm going to apply that to my hair to make it a bit softer and more manageable. So the leave-in conditioner has been left in. And at this point, if your hair isn't wet, soaking wet again, you can add more water. So I have water in this spray bottle, and I'm just going to apply water all over my hair to make it slightly wet, because for the next step, we want our hair to be wet. Repeat after me. We want our hair to be wet. We want our hair to be wet. Good job. This thing is actually a form of exercise, like arm exercise. Because, bro, sis, it's exercise. But we want our hair to be wet. So my hair is now wet, and you can see the natural curls. Basically, the white residue is from the leave-in conditioner, but once the hair is dry, that should clear out. So our next step is the most important step, which is to apply our gel. And I use this Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. This is the one I trust, and I decided to buy the big jar because this small one wasn't working for me. Like every 2 weeks I had to get this. No, not 2 weeks. That's exaggerating. Every 1 month I had to get this. So I just decided to get the big jar because it's more economical to get the big jar. So, and also because for you to make your hair coily, you need a lot of gel. A lot. Repeat after me. I need a lot of gel. I need a lot of gel. Good job! Okay, so I need you to pay attention. You need to get the gel, like a generous amount, and apply it on your hair. Like, go off. And just run your fingers through, like so. So just do that. Apply a lot of gel in sections and just agitate the air, basically. Okay? Yeah. Okay. You know, you're just going to apply so much gel on your hair. If anybody asks you, what hairstyle is that? You literally say gel and some hair, because there's more gel than hair on your head. Do you understand? Like, you need to use a lot of gel, and as you can already see, the curls are coming out, and these are just natural curls. I have not used any tools. So you just literally just keep running your fingers through your hair with the gel, a lot of gel. But you have to bear in mind that wherever or however you style your hair at this point is the way your hair is going to be when the gel dries, if that makes sense. Basically, don't let the gel dry in a state or in a form that you don't want your hair to be. Do you understand? You don't want clumped portions of your hair. Like, I don't know if I'm making sense, but basically just run your fingers through your hair quickly before the gel dries, because you will be left with the results of your actions. Oh God, I'm saying rubbish. Whatever. So literally, we just applied gel to wet natural hair without combing it, and you just keep doing this, just separating every strand, trying to separate every strand of your hair, and see this? Are you guys seeing this? Like curls, natural curls, basically. Hey guys, so I got all dressed up. So something I didn't show in this everything is to show that I add coconut oil to my hair just to give it a little bit of shine. And yeah, and that's basically how I get my hair done in a jiffy. So if you guys liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up and please share this video with your friends also, and put on the notification bell. Click the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so you are notified every time I upload a new video, so you never miss any videos. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I will see you guys in my next video.